This video is to show you how to create labels using the Google Apps. We're going to use Google Sheets and we're going to use Google Docs. So first I'm going to come to Google Sheets, which can be found at sheets.google.com. And I'm going to type in whatever I need the data for. I'll make a header column, and then I'll just make up some data here. Alright, I'll name it, and then now that I have my data, first name, last name, you could add email address, whatever else you want. Then I'm going to come to Google Docs. So make a new sheet, title it something like name labels, and now I go to add-ons and I click get add-on, and here I'm going to type in Avery. Now I'm not using Avery labels, but this still works. Okay, so now I've got my Avery label thing here, and I can just close that. I'm going to push add-on, Avery label, new merge, wait a minute, and it'll say select the type of label. Do you want name badges or do you want labels? Now if you're making name tags, these are much larger than labels. You can click here, and this is great for teachers. You just tell how many's on the page, and that's how you make them. But we're going to go through how to make the not name tags, we're going through how to make labels here. So I'm going to use address labels, and I just count how many labels are on my sheet. In my case, I have a sheet of 30, so I'll just push select, and student names would be my data file. And over here on the right, you can see it asks me what column header names are. So I want the first name and I want the last name, and then I simply click on down at the bottom here the word merge. You can't see it because of my screen, so I'll move my screen down. Here it says merge, so I click merge, and it's gonna make a new Google Doc called Avery 1560, and we'll open that. And here you can see this would be good for printing out my labels: Billy, Kid, and Tan, and the other name. Okay, so what I usually would do first would be I would print it on a blank sheet of paper and make sure that that'll match up with my 30 labels. And then once I verified that, then I stick in my label sheet and I create my labels from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit techteacherzone.com.